Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with a brand new video for you guys. This time we are going to take a look at the Samsung Gear S. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but this actually came out in 2014. So this is a smartwatch. I purchased this from T-Mobile. It's running by Tizen, Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, and it's IP67 certified, dust and water resistant, gyro, compass, ambient light, barometer, UV heart rate, edge/GPRS, dual band, and all the other good stuff. I purchased this from T-Mobile. The price for this when it came out was $300 to $250, I believe, because this has a dedicated SIM card slot where you can put your nano SIM card and take your watch with you without the phone. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This is how the watch looks like. Let's boot this up. See what else is in the box. This is the SIM card ejection tool. A plastic thing that comes with it. Let's see what else we have in this box. So we have the charger here, and the thing that I like about this watch is that it comes with the battery. The cradle is actually a charger, so basically you can hook this onto it like this and you can take it with you. Right, here we go. So that's my son there. Alright, well, still, let's see how much battery we have. 92%. I charged this last night just to make the video, but it was 100% when I charged it, but now when I boot it up, it's 92%. Let's go take a look at the menu, what it has. Alright, we got the recent apps on the top, contacts, phone, messages, email, settings, schedule, navigator, S-Health, running, that's the Nike Plus, music player, weather, news briefing. We got the S-Voice, alarm, gallery, find my device, and the Zenozu. This is a dedicated video player, just like YouTube, but you can play it on player. And we have compass. You can get obviously more applications, and then you can have the widgets on this side. On the top, when you scroll on the top, you got the battery percentage on top, the volume. I'm gonna put it on vibrate, the brightness, how much brightness you want. And if you hold this button in the middle, it gives you the power, start, restart, Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and vibration mode or whatever mode you want to choose. Now, I really like this curve style that Samsung made, and I think they were heading into a great direction by making this curved display on the screen of the watches. And I was thinking, okay, this is the future, but now they went back to the normal style, like just the round watches, round face watches with the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Active 2. And I think this is the future. Samsung, if you're listening, let's go on with it and keep on making the curved displays. When I purchased this watch, I really thought the future is here, just because of the curved display here, and the way it looks so modern and futuristic. And I just hope that the Samsung, will start making this watch again, like this style of watches again. This is how the back looks. Here, this is right here. This is where the SIM card goes. It says SIM right here. Pop this open and there we go. Got the heart rate sensor, right over here. And look at the display. I love the curved display on this. And obviously you can change the band, you know, the way you like. You can get some bands on Amazon. I really love this watch. I just wanted to make a little, you know, video just dedicated to this display here, especially this curve, you know, display of the Samsung watch. That's how it looks on the wrist. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review / unboxing, and I'll see you on the next one.